Happy day, children. In our last video, we started with lesson 2, food and health. We learned about nutrients and its classification. Shall we have a quick recap? Can anyone tell me what are nutrients and how nutrients are classified? Yes, nutrients are substances present in our food that help us to grow and remain healthy. Nutrients are classified into carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals based on the function they perform. Now let's see about each one of these nutrients in detail. Carbohydrates. Food items like rice, bread, chapatis, potatoes, and bananas are rich source of carbohydrates. And food items rich in carbohydrates provide us with energy. And hence they are also called as energy-giving foods. Next, we will see about proteins. Proteins help us to grow and repair the burnout cells. They also help in making muscles, blood, and skin. Proteins are also called as body-building substances. Food items like fish, meat, chicken, eggs, and pulses are rich sources of proteins. Fats. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. And fats gives us warmth to our body. But our body needs very little fat and the extra fats is stored in our body for later use. Our body always prefer to use carbohydrates for energy. And the food items like cheese, butter, nuts, chocolate, oil, ghee, and meat are rich sources of fats. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are needed by your body in small amounts to stay healthy and fit. There are many kinds of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins like A, B, C, D, E, and K. And minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and iron. Fruits and vegetables are rich sources of vitamins. Vitamins and minerals are called as protective foods as they help us to protect from diseases. Roughage. In addition to nutrients, our body also needs roughage and water. Roughage is the part of the food that cannot be digested by the body. You may have a question, if it is not going to be digested, why should we include roughage in our diet? It is because roughage adds bulk to the food and helps your muscles to push the food through the intestine. It also helps your body to get rid of the undigested food. Now you understood, right, why roughage is important in our diet. Roughage is present in all plant foods. Water. You are learning from lower classes the uses and importance of water, right? Water is necessary for proper digestion, for proper utilization of nutrients, for eliminating the waste material from our body, and for maintaining the proper body temperature. So you know, an average person should drink how many glasses of water per day? Yes, you are right. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water or approximately 2 liters. Balanced diet. To build a strong and healthy body, you need all the nutrients in the right amounts. Can you get all the nutrients from only one type of food? No, right? So, we should eat a diet that contains the right amount of all the nutrients as well as water and roughage. And it is called as a balanced diet. So, even though we eat a balanced diet, sometimes we may fall sick and we may catch up diseases, isn't it? So in our next video, we will see about diseases and its type. Thank you, children.